Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. You are going to love the 2015 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control automatic. Your new ride is just a phone call away.